Hey, if your Keurig is frozen, not responding, or just acting weird, yeah, it probably just needs a reset. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to reset a Keurig coffee maker, step by step. And don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. Let's start with the simplest reset. Turn the machine off if it's on, then unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for at least 5 minutes. This allows the internal system to fully power down and clear minor glitches, kind of like restarting a phone. After about 5 minutes, plug it back in and turn it on. For a lot of issues, this alone fixes the problem. If that didn't work, try this slightly deeper reset, turn the machine off, and unplug it again. Now remove the water reservoir before plugging it back in. Wait another 5 minutes, then plug the machine back in, but don't attach the reservoir yet. Turn it on first, then reattach the reservoir once it's powered up. Sometimes the machine just needs to reset its brew sensor. Lift the handle where the coffee pod goes, wait a few seconds, and then firmly close it again. You might hear a small click. That's normal. If you have a model with a digital display, you can reset the settings manually. Go to the menu and look for options like Settings or Maintenance. Some models allow you to select Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and let the machine restart. Keep in mind this will erase saved preferences like brew size or auto on time. If your Keurig is still not responding, there may be trapped water or air inside. Turn it off and unplug it. Remove the reservoir and gently shake the unit over a sink to release excess water. Carefully, of course. Let it sit for a few minutes before reconnecting everything and powering it back on. Now fill the reservoir with fresh water and run a brew cycle without a pod. If it runs smoothly, you're all set. If it still won't reset, the issue may be internal, like a faulty pump or control board. And that's how you reset a Keurig coffee maker. Most of the time, a simple power reset or menu reset does the trick. So yeah, always try these before replacing your machine. Hopefully this saved you some time and maybe your morning coffee.